Morning, friends. Happy Thursday, September 21st. My hair actually looks really good today. For some reason, it won't last. We are vlogging today. Whenever I actually say that, it means I talk to you in the morning, perhaps a little bit at lunch for like a minute, and then I talk to you in the afternoon. But that's just the reality of my life. I don't have spare time to be chatting with you during the school day. My car is a disaster state. Let me show you. 2 coffees, 1 coffee that one I was driving with in my lap. So I have my own little drink carrier. I'll put that in. It's twin day, so really we're being triplets. So I got us coffee. We have matching straws, matching outfits. It's a whole thing. We're making some galaxy stones today. So basically, I needed like a couple things, and that turned into like, let me try all these drinks I haven't tried before. That's for our smoothie, which we're making tomorrow, and that's for the smoothie. Let's see. I have a Barbella Box I'm going to show you. The headbands are for twin day. There is some baking soda powder, whichever one, is in the bottom of here. And generally when we're doing anything with baking soda, baking powder, whichever one it is, I'm pretty sure it's the powder. If I know I need some, I'll buy the bigger bag and I'll bring like the leftovers of my stuff at my house and bring the new bag home with my own money, obviously. So a progression of mess has appeared over in my once clean desk space, and it's fine. It's mostly the laminating pile that has been accumulating. So normally I'll do the craft and the experiment the same day, but today the recipe is a pretty quick one because it's a smoothie, and the craft one needs to dry overnight. So we'll do craft and recipe today, and then we'll do this tomorrow because I can see that taking a lot of time. Little STEM DIY situation. Hello friends, happy after school Thursday. It's 4 o'clock. I've just spent a half hour talking to people and doing nothing productive. Not shocking. Here's my lunch tray because I didn't finish it. It's taco salad today, and I had like 2 chips before I had to go do my job and be busy with children on my lunchtime break, and that's just life. We made the space rocks today. Here's how the space rocks turned out. They're still not all the way dried, so I'm gonna just leave them overnight. I thought maybe the kids could take them home. We had it sitting in the sun, but it's not quite dry. This one is quite a snowball. And then we made the smoothie today. The kids really liked it, and then we didn't do the oatmeal because I personally don't like stuff like that in my smoothies, and I figured the kids wouldn't either. We've been playing with switches with one of my kids, and so what's nice about this one is you can plug the blender into it. So he was able to use the blender, and the blender is plugged into this, and then this switch, and then this switch. But if you can think of any fun like cause and effect things that I could plug in here, we did Christmas lights, the blender, and then a fan today, but we're looking for more fun ideas, so comment down below if you can think of anything. Cleaned the classroom, about to leave, but it's Barbella Box time. Let's unbox this so I can leave the box here. Oh, I was saying an empty bag, but sunglasses. Okay, cool. I like that blue. I can't open this one-handed. It's a pretty blue. Okay, cool. Little recess playground sunglasses situation. Mesh hoodie, and I purposely didn't skip it because I really want it for yoga. And then next month I was gonna skip it, and then I saw it's Born Primitive jogger, so we're not skipping it. We're not saving our money. It's just a good box. However, I already have a million jump ropes, and so sometimes that's the problem. Is you get all these things you don't necessarily need, but you want the one fun thing, like these. Not my thing. And another good thing about unboxing it here at school is I can just leave them in the staff lounge and somebody will eat it. Socks, can always use a good pair of socks. And then this beautiful hoodie. I'm really excited to wear this.